Okay, so this little set from Amazon, with nano tape, and it's like a nano tape set, so, I've been waiting a long time for this. Well, you can have a long time a day, but, I see. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I don't know what just happened. Let me see. Good, let's fix this. Fix you. There we go. What's that? Let's open everything. Okay, so first off, I got these things. I really have no idea what these are, so I guess we'll just have to find out, because I don't know what these things do. Okay, so this is really cute. So we've got some slime. I think it's slime. That's really nice slime. Yeah, nice slime. Okay. Wait, so this purple slime? It's some blue slime. Put it over there. Got some little charms. We'll get some scissors. Then get this. So I got this spoon. So that's the top layer. And you can put everything back in. Yeah. Now I just thought this, you can use this as a little table. But, okay. So, okay, here comes the actual stuff. Okay, so I got some little clay. So yellow and green clay. Here's the tape. So get some sparkles. Sticky. Get the nano tape. That's just my mom talking to my cat, but get some purple and blue tape. Yeah. Get some of this. Some more nano tape. Ooh, I like to look at this one. It's like nice and shiny. So just goes away real quick. Yeah. The trash can. Okay. Yep. More clay. That's clay. Okay. Put them there. We got this green one. That's the blue one. Green. Oh, okay. So now we got some like sparkles. Okay, so we got stars. Got some letters. Got some more little charms. And got some bees. Got a clear one. Okay, so I got some pink sparkles, purple sparkles, gray stars, pink stars. No way. Oh my god. I'm gonna need you guys to guess the price. I'll say the price. But sorry. Got some little ball thingies. Those are not in the bag. So yeah, but I'm pretty sure those are the things that glow up in the dark. Well, not in the dark, but. One second, please hold. Oh my god, it's so far. Yeah. Okay, that. These little things. The light bulbs in them. Some more sparkles. Not gonna name them because I don't want to. But those, that. And last but not least, purple. I'm making it hard here. More sparkles. Okay, so it comes to the video. There's a little thing. I'll have a link too. Oh, we got the straw. We got 3 straws. 4 straws. This thing comes with a lot of stuff, but as you can see, oh, another straw. Got some cute faces. Stickers. I have no idea what that is, but yeah, that's everything. So here's the price reveal. $21.